What's up, y'all? I hope y'all are having an excellent day. Listen, I want to do another video talking about my coaching calls and classes. So I want y'all to listen intently and go ahead, tap in. Let's get into it. Listen, y'all. I know coaching calls and classes aren't always the thing that people want to hop into, but listen, I'm here to let you know, man, that they're absolutely vital and necessary if you're trying to get to the place where you want to get to. Most people don't even know the direction they need to take. Most people don't have the knowledge, and a lot of times most people won't even give them the knowledge or even help them. So when people make coaching calls and classes available to you, I think personally you should take advantage of them, whatever subject matter they may be talking about. All right. And so for me, my coaching calls and classes are specifically designed to help drive you in a direction so that you can get to the place where you want to get to. So let me talk to you about my classes first. My classes are designed to give you a foundational knowledge in real estate. They're designed to give you the little nuances that you need that most people may or may not talk about so that you can be successful. The Bible talks about it like this. It is the small foxes that spoil the vine. And so real estate can be daunting, real estate can be scary, and real estate can be confusing already. And so if you don't have the little nuances, it can cause frustration and a lot of times anger because you don't know the route that you need to take. And so I want to give you the little nuances that can help you be successful in real estate through these classes. And these are foundational building blocks. So no matter what you do in real estate, you can be successful. Now, I specialize in real estate investing because that's specifically what I do. And I'll tell you in these classes, and anybody that's been in these classes can let you know that the information that is given is absolutely important and vital to your success in real estate. A lot of the things that I talk about in these classes, I didn't necessarily hear, but I think they're absolutely vital in the puzzle piece to creating a successful real estate picture, okay? And so this is why I hold these classes, because you can get the big picture, you can get the technical information, and all of that stuff is great, and all of that stuff is necessary. And we'll talk about that some, but there's some other key things that I think you need to be successful in real estate so that you can go in a successful direction rather than going down, because I've seen too many people go in the down direction when they should have been going up, and they wouldn't have gone in that direction if they had the things that I talk about in these two classes over the months. And so the two classes that I hold are 3 things that you need to do real estate, and then getting started in real estate. And so again, these are foundational classes to get you going in real estate so that you can be successful. And I prefer that you do the 3 things that you need to do real estate first before you do getting started in real estate. So that's the gist of my classes, because I really want you guys to get in here with me, and I'm doing a little bit of promoting, but I also really want you to know what really goes on in these classes so that you're not necessarily going into it blindsided, but knowing that you're going to get the tools necessary that you need to be successful in real estate, all right? So take a look in the description, take a look in the comments, check the links, sign up for the classes, because I'm telling you, your real estate career will not be the same. I'll see you in the classes. Now, I know I just gave you a little spiel about my real estate classes, but some of y'all may be asking, why should I even be thinking about considering his real estate classes or even his coaching calls? It's because I have 14 years of experience of what to do and what not to do. And so I'm taking my 14 years and trying to crunch it down into 1 hour so that you don't spend 14 years trying to be successful in real estate. So this is the reason why I started these classes, and I want you to be a part of it. And so what do you think about that right now? Are you interested? Go ahead and check the links in the comments and let me know your thoughts down there in the comments as well. And now I want to tell you about my coaching calls so that I can help you in real estate. Now, my coaching calls are extremely personal. And so I set up one-on-one coaching time so that I can give you specific instructions on what you would like to do in your real estate investing journey. In these calls, you will get strategy. In this call, you will get how to make financing, how you can get that done, a lot of things that are necessary to get you going in real estate. Man, and you will also get some pitfalls, you'll get some challenges identified for you. I can let you know ahead of time that's going to be a roadblock for you. That's going to be an issue right there. That is what coaching is designed to do. And so the coaching call that I've set up is, again, to help you specifically with your specific strategy and the way that you want to go, whether that's wholesaling, whether that's renting, whether that's owner financing, whether that's rent to own, whether that's subject to, whatever the case may be, just to name a few. I want you to get the help that you need specifically so that you can go and be successful in real estate. And the other hurdle that people don't like talking about a lot, or they need to, it's a hurdle that we got to deal with, is the financing hurdle. How can I get money to do my real estate deals? The other thing is, what kind of strategy should I go in if I don't have any money? Can I get into it with very little down or very little at all? How can I get involved with this real estate deal? Let me know, and that's what coaching calls are designed to do. They're designed to help you get to the place that you want to get to. I know I can't say that enough. It is designed to help you personally get to the place where you individually would like to go. So that's what the coaching calls are for. I give you specific instructions for your specific journey. All right. So I want you to check the links in the comments and check the links in the description so that you can sign up for those coaching calls so that I can help you. All right, y'all. It's a call to action. So what are you going to do? Are you going to keep sitting on the sidelines? Or are you going to get involved? It's completely and totally up to you. All right. And so what I would encourage you to do is at least take a look at it. At least take a look at some of the videos. At least reach out and ask questions. Do something to get you going if you're actually interested in real estate. Don't just sit on the sidelines. Make some steps towards what you actually want to do, because we'll be here to help you. All right. So if you want to learn more, or if you want to check out the classes, if you want to get on the coaching call, check the links in the comments and check the links in the description. If you want to ask questions, get down in the comments section. Let me hear from you. I love to talk to you and explain everything about what we're about. And that's it. Let me holler at y'all. Y'all talk to me. Let me know what y'all think. All right. I appreciate y'all for checking out this video. I appreciate y'all rocking with me all the way to the end. And I'll see y'all in the next video or in the class or call. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.